Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has submitted his resignation after completing 3 years of his second term in office. He submitted his resignation to Governor Thawar Chand Gehlot's office following directions from the Congress Party High Command.
This clears the way for Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar to take over, reviving the long speculated power sharing formula within the Karnataka Congress.
The decision was taken after a closed door meeting in Delhi attended by Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi, K.C. Venugopal, Siddaramaiah and D.K. Shivkumar.
There have been tensions between both the camps playing out both publicly and behind the scenes over the leadership change. While Siddaramaiah's supporters, the Ahinda groups, have opposed the move to replace him, the Congress leadership has now acted on the transition.
Siddaramaiah leaves office after delivering on the Congress Party's 5 guarantee schemes, including Shakti and Griha Lakshmi, which were aimed at women. A towering OBC leader hailing from the Kuruba community, Siddaramaiah is one of Karnataka's most influential politicians, known for his Ahinda politics and welfare-driven governance.
With this resignation, Karnataka now prepares for a major political transition.
Before his resignation, Siddaramaiah spoke to his cabinet of ministers at his house in Bengaluru. We spoke to Ramalinga Reddy, one of the ministers who attended the gathering, who told us that Siddaramaiah was very emotional but calm. He also told us that Siddaramaiah mentioned that D.K. Shivkumar would be the next Chief Minister. We also spoke to Health Minister Dinesh Gundu Rao, who told us that Siddaramaiah said that he would continue to be an MLA for the next 2 years for the remainder of his term. He also said that it was important for the Congress to defeat the BJP during the next assembly elections in 2028 and that he would be there during that fight.
Siddaramaiah's resignation is a major turning point in Karnataka politics. As D.K. Shivkumar prepares to take charge, we at the News Minute will continue to bring you political developments from the ground. As we keep telling you, independent media needs your support. So become a TNN subscriber today or contribute to our reporting fund.